In AvePoint Online Services, the auto discovery scan profiles are used to go out and connect to Office 365 and catalog the various objects. SharePoint Online site collections, Exchange Online mailboxes, and Microsoft Teams are some of the things that are recorded for AvePoint Online Services and passed along to services such as Cloud Backup for Office 365 and Cloud Governance. Occasionally, in Office 365, a new object gets created, which will then be cataloged the next time the scan profiles run. If you would like to keep track of when that happens, you can log on to AvePoint Online Services, and under Auto Discovery, click Scan Profiles. Select the profile whose history you'd like to view, and up at the top, click Scan History. As a default, the last scan job that ran will be selected, and if you scroll down towards the bottom, you can click through the various Office 365 objects and see what has been cataloged. Anything captured in a previous scan will be listed as Keep. If there are a lot of objects, you can scroll through the pages down at the lower right. If you know a particular scan job that actually generated new objects into AOS, you can select that, and again, scroll through the pages until you find what you're looking for. Here you can see I have a new mailbox that was discovered back on the 7th. We also have a new team site that was cataloged under Office 365 groups. If, of course, you don't know the specific job, what you can also do is you can run reports just above that, which can pull in a daily review of anything that it would have captured, or download a weekly report. This report, as its name implies, only refreshes once a week, so even if something was scanned yesterday or the day before, it may not show up in the weekly report until that week has run. To view it, you click, and then down at the bottom, either save the file that wants to open up or click Open. In the report that opens, on the Overall tab, you will be able to see numbers indicating what type of action has been captured, newly registered contents for anything created new in Office 365, moved to another container if you have changed your auto discovery profile and an object no longer belongs in the, say, default container, but you've moved it to something more specified. And then finally, removed from Office 365 or out of policy. This is something that is no longer being captured. So an example would be if an MS Team was removed from Office 365, that MS Team would no longer be scanned, therefore would not apply to things like your Cloud Backup solution. To see the specifics, down at the bottom, you click through the tabs. So again, if I want to review anything that was newly captured, I can see the mailbox and the group, and I can see when those were newly registered. Using the Removed from Office 365 or Out of Policy or Moved to Another Container tab can sometimes help you troubleshoot if for some reason you believe something is not being acted upon in the way that it's supposed to be. At any given time, you can also pick a specific job from the dropdown and export that history as well. That will also be saved as a spreadsheet, but again, you need to know the specific job that contains what it is that you're looking for down at the bottom. Thanks for watching this short video on reviewing auto discovery scan profile histories and viewing the weekly report in AvePoint Online Services.